this is all your ego is, folks. It's just the evolutionary from the worm on up through the animal. And of course he's interested in survival, getting more, winning, being right. Being right is very, very important to us, isn't it? It's more important than life itself. We're willing to die rather than admit we're wrong. And that's the right way to be, isn't it? Because God wants that. That's the way we please God. In fact, the more people we kill, the more God is pleased. Right. You see how demented we can go. But does he know any better? No. That's what Jesus said. Forgive them, for they know not what they do. The Buddha said, there's only ignorance. All right, so compassion for the ego is what dissolves it. Not guilt, not mortification, not penance, not self-flagellation, not guilt, shame, not depression. We appreciate the energy of life within us. It came up as this animal. Now we adopt this animal, and without you, I wouldn't be here. Therefore, without all the dragons and all the creatures that have lived throughout the millions of years, we wouldn't be here. Without selfishness and greed and all the things that we deplore spiritually, we wouldn't be here. So we're the evolutionary product then. Over millions of years of consciousness becoming more and more and more conscious, we eventually transcend thinking that we are this. We dissolve it through compassion and acceptance. We don't make it an evil enemy. When it's there in somebody else, we see it's their teddy bear. It's her teddy bear making her very agitated and her face is red and she's hollering at the cop. And you can see it's her teddy bear all shook up. So by adopting the ego in yourself and others, you see you demystify it. You bring it down to what it really is. Ignorant animal, doesn't know any better. It's only do what it thinks it's supposed to do, survive, win. Huh? So out of compassion then and forgiveness, we dissolve the ego. We dissolve the ego. And as it dissolves, we become the very thing that we were seeking. We are what we sought. We are what we sought.